make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everyone, so I hope you're well and having a really lovely day today. How are you all doing? Hope you're doing well. Today's video is going to be something a little bit different. I've seen quite a few different YouTubers do a video very similar, and I kind of wanted to do my own, but I thought I'd do it a little bit different. So a lot of people have been reacting to videos from so many years ago. However, I found a Lush tag that I filmed 5 years ago. Ooh, just got my hair caught. 5 years ago, and I can't believe it was 5 years ago. Like, I remember filming it, sat in my room, in that exact spot right there on the floor, filming this video. I just can't get over it. So I'm going to be reacting and re-answering the questions in the Lush tag. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. So I'm sitting to the side just so I can insert the actual video so you guys can see it too. Please don't judge me on my hair, and also please appreciate this was back in 2015, so I look a bit gross, but let's have a little look and see. Firstly, I don't really know, but my camera isn't focused in this video, and also my hair looks disgusting. Recently I was thinking of going back dark with my hair, and now I'm looking at this and it's just not going to happen. So right, let's get into it. Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different, and that is the Lush tag. I didn't get tagged to do this video, but I've seen it on Emma Blackery's channel, which I will link in the description box, and it looked like a lot of fun, so I thought that I would film it for you guys. For each category you have to pick kind of your favourite thing, and What's with my eyebrows? I'm not a fan. Do they look any different? I hope so. Honestly, don't have one favourite, so if you guys ever want to see my top 10 bath bombs, my top 10 hair care pieces, then do let me know and I'll film that for you. So I do really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm just going to jump right in. So the first question is, what is your favourite product? Oh, okay, firstly, just don't like that writing across the screen, but anyway. Said I absolutely love Lush, so picking one product was really difficult. So my favourite product is the new shampoo bar, and if you've watched my how to get long healthy hair video, evidently my hair looks absolutely dry as anything in this video, so I don't really think that's anything different, but yeah, you would have known about this. But if you haven't seen it, I will link it in the description. Basically, this has cinnamon and peppermint in it. It smells like Christmas, basically. It smells really nice, and what it does is, firstly, I described it as smelling like Christmas and that it smells really nice, and I think my descriptions are exactly the same as they were back then. But my favourite product now is the Plum Rain Shower Gel, and I'm not going to lie to you, I still love the new shampoo bar a lot, but Plum Rain Shower Gel has been a absolute top favourite of mine for probably the past 2 years or so, whenever it came out. Absolutely love this. Still love new shampoo bar, still use it on the regular. I just really love this, so this is probably my favourite now. Question number 2 is, what is your favourite ballistic? And this was really hard for me to decide. If you know me, you'll know that I really love Lord of Misrule. I really love like the Experimenter, Intergalactic, but I decided to go for Golden Wonder, which is a Christmas limited edition product. It smells, I love the way I smell that. I'm just like really sort of fresh and citrusy almost, but not really. Good describing words, Melody. Which I don't think personally, but as you can see, it's got some blue coming out, which... Why did no one tell me to get a haircut either? And then inside the blue layer you've got loads of little bath bombs, and I just really love this. I think this is a perfect Christmas bath bomb. It's really good if you just want a treat or a really nice bath, and it just smells incredible. So if you're looking for a really nice bath bomb, I recommend that one a lot. Okay, so my absolute fave bath bomb at the moment, let me just open it. As I did mention in the video, but I went for something else, Lord of Misrule. It smells like heaven. I love it so much. Basically, Lord of Misrule smells like, it's spicy and patchouli, and it just smells unreal. So as you can tell, my descriptions have got better, but yeah, unreal. Question number 3 is, what is your favourite bubble bar? And if you'd recently watched my haul video, which again I'll link in the description. Did I actually link these in the description? And yes, they are a Halloween limited edition, and I absolutely love them. And that is the pumpkin bubble bar, and it smells incredible. It smells like just really fresh and really like citrusy, but not really fresh and citrusy, but not, if that makes sense. I don't think stores have these anymore, which is really upsetting, but if you got your hands on them, you'll know why I love it so much. It's amazing. It is covered in gold luster as well, so if you love glittery baths, this one is the one for you. Smells incredible. Glitter just went everywhere. As you guys know, I'm obsessed with unicorn horn. That is one of my ultimate favourites. However, one that overtook it last year was the Yognog Bubble Bar. This just smells like caramel and vanilla and everything yummy. It's just unreal, so really like this. Would recommend that. It's probably up there with my top 10 products from Lush, I want to say. It's just incredible. So just gonna wrap that back up in its packaging and move on to the next question. So what is Melody going to be saying for us today? Question number 4 is, what is your favourite bath melt? And I don't have any bath melts actually at the moment. I don't tend to gravitate towards them because I prefer the bubbles or the bath bombs. However, if I was to pick one, I would probably pick Floating Islands or Melting Marshmallow Moment, but in the old formulation they used to be very milky and really creamy, whereas now they've made them into bath oils, which I'm not as keen on. I just don't really like that oily kind of texture, and I feel like they always cling to the bath, which I don't like because then I have to clean the bath afterwards. So yeah, I'd probably go for either one of those two if I was going to pick one, but I probably wouldn't get one anyway. I would probably still agree with Past Me. Like, I'm not obsessed with bath melts. They're just not really my kind of thing. I just never bother buying them because I don't want to spend like £3 on something that's just going to make my bath oily, you know. But Floating Island's probably my favourite because it smells like vanilla and it just smells like ice cream and it's so nice. So that's probably my favourite. I don't have any at the moment, obviously, but yeah, that would probably be my favourite if I had to have one. But the old formula was just unreal, so yeah. Past Me has got some taste with that one. Question number 5 is, what is your favourite soap? If you'd watched my haul video, you will know what my favourite soap is, but it is the Yognog soap. It smells incredible. It smells... getting another smell in there. Like toffee and caramel, and some people say coffee, which I can kind of get, but it is amazing. And honestly, this is my favourite soap ever and I absolutely love it. And you can still get this because it's a Christmas product, so we will have it until probably Boxing Day or just after Boxing Day. So if you can get your hands on some, I honestly recommend it and you will not be disappointed. Unless you don't like soap. Again, I would have to agree with myself. Yognog soap is to die for. I love it. It's so nice. It's creamy. It smells like caramel and like cake batter, and it's just so good. It smells exactly like the bubble bar, so a real big fan. And they did bring out shower gel this year, which I did buy because it was unbelievable. So would recommend that too. Next question. Also, I have a massive spot on my face in this video. Question number 6 is, what is your favourite shower gel? And again, I feel like I talk about Lush too much because you probably already know this, and that is the Lord of Misrule shower cream. This is a Halloween exclusive, so if you haven't got it yet and you really want to get some, go into your store right now and go and get some, because I don't know how long it's going to be there for. You can get it in Oxford Street all year round, but if you don't live near London, then I would definitely go to your local Lush and get one. It smells like Christmas, like a really spicy Christmas scent, which is weird for Halloween, but I absolutely love it. I don't think it smells exactly like the bath bomb. The bath bomb is more sweet, but this is a bit more spicy. I would highly recommend this shower gel. Again, it's one of my favourites. I have a few, but this is definitely in my top 3, so love it. I would agree. This is still my absolute favourite, apart from obviously Plum Rain, but I've already featured Plum Rain. I didn't want to, you know, favoritise it, but these two and Twilight are probably my all-time faves. I have a lot of favourites, but unbelievable. And it smells like Christmas, apparently. I wouldn't really say Christmas, it's more like patchouli and vanilla, but very good. Love it. The next question is, what is your favourite limited edition product? And again, this was really hard because I am a Snow Fairy fan. I love kind of all the Christmas stuff. It was really hard for me to decide. So I decided to choose the Salt and Peppermint Bark, which is a body spray. I loved that. Or the bath, you would just wet it and you just rub it onto your skin, and it smells like a stick of rock. It smells incredible. Or candy canes, which is probably more so what it's supposed to smell like. But it smells delicious, and if I could eat a product it would probably be this one. It smells amazing. Again, because this is limited edition, you need to go get your hands on it ASAP because it's so good. Or put it on your Christmas list. But I love it, it's amazing. I love that I used to say that a lot in my videos, like if I could eat it I would eat it. But I would say my favourite limited edition product now is the Sleepy body lotion. This is just unbelievable. I've had a few of these, so I think this one's actually a new one, but I will open it anyway. Dun 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 dun. It's so nice. I honestly am obsessed with it. I do need to go through all my Lush stuff because I have a lot of stuff that I just don't ever use anymore because I just forget about it, but this is one of my ultimate favourites. It just smells like, it's just so relaxing, and it just draws me in, so I really love this. Absolute favourite of mine. 20 million out of 10 would recommend. And you can probably hear my mum hoovering now. She's really going to town with that hoover. Yeah, she's hoovering something and it's making a lot of noise, so I do apologise about the hoover. Anyway, moving on. The next question is, how many kitchen products have you ordered? And I am not really an online shopper. A lot of my friends know this. I only just got online banking, so I'm not really into kind of ordering online. However, I have had 4. All 4 were solid perfumes, 2 from last Christmas, 2 from this Christmas. However, I have put the ones from last year somewhere and I can't find them, and it's really annoying me. Okay, so when I filmed this video, the Lush kitchen was basically an online area where you can order things that are exclusively online. They make a certain amount, when they're done, and they make new stuff every single week or whatever it was. And they actually got rid of the kitchen and they did like Lush Labs instead, which is basically the same thing. So I think it actually stuck at 4, and then it moved on to the Lush Labs, and then I just bought absolutely loads of stuff. So if it was all the Lush kitchen, probably like 30, not gonna lie. Yeah, I've got a problem, so oopsie. How long have you been a Lushie? And a Lushie is someone who absolutely loves Lush. I love that I felt the need to explain what a Lushie meant, but yeah, if you love Lush, you're a Lushie. I worked for Lush for about 1.5 years, and 6 months before I worked there I probably went into my store every single weekend, so I would say I've been a Lushie for about 2 years now, and yeah, I absolutely love Lush, love every single product that they bring out. So that is... Okay, so I said I was a Lushie for about 2 years, and that was in 2015, so I have been a strong Lushie for 7 years. Love that. So that was the last question. I actually really enjoyed filming this video. It was really fun, really different, and I just find it really weird to watch old videos like that back. Like, I've completely changed my hair, I haven't got my nose piercing, my room's changed. Since that video was filmed, I've moved out 3 times. Like, it's just a weird feeling to like watch videos from that far back, but I enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked it anyway. A lot of you guys are probably wondering in the title of this video, why does it say Lush giveaway? And that is because it is the first week of the 4 weeks of Lush giveaways, and in this video you can win the Buttercup gift box. In this box you can win the Honey I Washed the Kids soap and the Butterball bath bomb. Now, to win this gift, all you need to do is subscribe to this channel, follow me on Instagram, and leave me a comment down below with your Instagram handle and your favourite Lush shower gel ever. That's how you can win. So those are the 3 rules. So please do comment down below. Do not forget to put your Instagram handle down because I will be checking that you're following me before you can win. So make sure you do that. Obviously, if you are younger, make sure you ask your parents' permission before entering because obviously I'm going to need your address. So let me know. But yeah, this is what you can win. So hopefully you'll win this actual box. How exciting. I'm very jealous. But that is everything for this video. Please don't forget to enter the giveaway. I hope you subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you very soon. Bye guys.